Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for editorial calendar management. This is your full 2025 guide, so buckle up. Let's start by opening UPBASE. Now that we're in, look for the calendar feature at the left-hand side of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. This is where you'll visually plan, organize, and schedule your content. Next up, let's create a new project. Click on the plus button to start. Give your project a name relevant to your content theme. The reason we do this is to help us manage multiple content streams efficiently, so whether you're juggling blogs, social media posts, or podcasts, each one can have its own unique project. Now, with our project set, it's time to add some tasks. Click on a date on the calendar, and a window will pop up. Here, you can add task details. This includes the task title, description, and the team member responsible. Remember to hit Save. This helps us because it gives a clear structure to your content, ensuring every task has a purpose and a person behind it. Moving on, let's talk status. UPBASE allows you to update task status as you progress. To do this, click on the task and choose a status from the drop-down menu. This could be To Do, In Progress, or Done. The reason we do this is to keep track of our progress and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Lastly, let's not forget the power of collaboration. UPBASE allows you to invite team members to your project. Just click on the Team button on the top right and add your team's email addresses. This helps us because it fosters transparency and teamwork, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let me explain why this matters. Managing your editorial calendar with UPBASE streamlines your content creation process. It's like having a roadmap guiding you from concept to publication. So, that's it. You're now ready to manage your editorial calendar like a pro using UPBASE. It's a game changer for content creators, and we hope it brings structure and efficiency to your workflow. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.